Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we start with our chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Tell me what
ma'am.
did we
Yes,
do in the previous class? Asya, can you tell me? What did we discuss in the previous class? Namasya.
Ma'am, I was not there in the last class.
What happened? Why you didn't attend the last class?
Ma'am, I was not there.
Devika,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what did we discuss in the last class?
Ma'am, last class we discussed when Malasha
Mm.
and Akulya, they both came from church with their new frocks. Then
Okay,
they went to...
just try to summarize from the beginning so that those who could not attend the class can listen to.
Yeah, ma'am. It was Easter when there was snow in the yards. The water from the melting snow was down the village streets.
Yes.
Then two girls had to meet at a lane.
Mm. They used
Where
to
the
meet. They used to
yeah.
meet in a lane between their houses. Yes.
home.
That is a
Where the
common
dirty-
practice that they were doing.
Yeah, where the dirty water from the farm
Mm.
had run down to the lane to
Mm.
form a large puddle.
Yes. So where
One
did they
girl
used to play? Where did they used to play?
ran in the puddle.
Yes, in the puddle. The girls were so fond of playing themselves in the puddle. Okay, all right. Good. Saneka,
One-
can you continue? Thank you, Devika. Saneka.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, continue.
After they meet in the puddle, they say about their shoes.
How did they come to meet each other? From where? From
Uh,
which place?
from the lane
Okay,
between their
they
house.
meet each other. They meet each other in a lane between their houses. But on that particular day, it was something special day for them. What day was that? Hmm? Nihal, what was special about that day?
Ma'am, can I say?
Let Nihal give me the answer. Nihal, tell me. Children, how many of you have read the text? Just raise your hand. How many of you have read the text?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, I am not having textbook.
What happened, Saneka?
Ma'am,
Why
I
don't you
am
have
not.
text?
Ma'am, I can't able to go to the school. That's why.
Okay. But I think I have sent the chapter to you through WhatsApp. Didn't I?
No, ma'am, you did not. Ma'am, I
Ma'am, it
cannot
was a
show that.
walk to remember.
Talk to remember.
Yes, ma'am, that was... Ma'am, you said only
I don't think so. I
that
think
story.
I have sent it through WhatsApp.
No, ma'am.
If not, why you did not tell me? Why you didn't tell me? Nobody informed me that you didn't have the text. I was under the impression that all of you got the text, so that I was not bothered about to send the chapter in the WhatsApp. Maybe I have sent it to some other group, 6C or 6B. Okay, how many of you do not have the textbook?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
so few of you do not have the textbook. I'll be sending the pages to you through WhatsApp. Okay. If in such cases you have to inform me. Otherwise, how will I know? I thought that all of you were having text and you might have read the previous portion. So without the textbook, it's difficult to sit in literature class because we are dealing with stories and poems, and we have to go through the text every now and then to make the story, the words, everything clear. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you have any kind of difficulty in dealing with the chapter, you have to contact me. Otherwise, I will not know how you are doing with your studies. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So,
Yes, sir.
Ananya, Just continue the story.
Okay, ma'am.
What happened then? When the girls came to meet each other in a lane between the houses.
Ma'am, then Malasha started to jump in the puddle.
Yes.
Ma'am,
But
then
then you have to mention about their frocks.
okay.
Do you remember that? It was Easter. It was the day of Easter and they were celebrating. They came after attending the ceremony in the church.
Ceremony in the church.
Hmm.
Ma'am, then after that,
When they both met each other, they showed their finery. They showed the expensive clothes.
clothes.
Okay. Anna, continue. What was the color of the frock of the little girl?
It was blue.
It was blue in color. Yes. The little one wore blue frock.
Blue frock.
And the elder one?
Yellow print.
Yes. Elder one was wearing a frock with yellow print.
Yellow print.
Okay. Then what did they do?
Then they started to play.
Then they started to play in the puddle. Shravana,
Yes, ma'am.
after showing each other their finery, did they immediately start playing in the puddle?
No, ma'am.
Speak louder. I cannot hear you. It's raining heavily here.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then what did they do?
Akulya said her that remove your shoes and socks.
Akulya, the elder one, advised Malasha, the
Malasha.
younger one, remove your shoes and stockings. I will remove mine. Yes. So we find that the elder girl is very caring and protective about the younger one. Yes. So that is where we stopped, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very bit of the chapter, and I can understand that most of you have not read the text properly. Those who don't have the textbook, okay, I can excuse. But what about others? Sri Rudra,
Ma'am.
early in the morning you're feeling sleepy.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll continue. Page number 14. Brissa, start reading. Brissa,
Ma'am,
can you hear me?
from which line?
From the second paragraph. Page number 14, second paragraph.
Ma'am, she hardly. Is that the line?
They did so, and then,
We are not audible.
did you see the line?
Ma'am, which
Okay, page number 14, from first paragraph onwards you read. We have completed the first paragraph, but then you can read from the first paragraph. Can you hear me, children?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's still raining here, so I find it difficult to hear you.
Can I start?
Krista, read.
Okay, ma'am. First, they showed each other their finery, and then they began to play. Soon they began to splash about in the water. The smaller one was going to step in the puddle, shoes and all. When the elder girl said, "Don't go in, Malasha. Your mother will scold you. I will take off my shoes and stockings, and you take off yours." They did
So we have done with that paragraph. Now we find what happens next.
They did so, and then picking up their skirts, began walking towards each other through the puddle. The water came up to Malasha's head, and she said, "It is deep. Akulya, I'm afraid." "Come on, then," cried Akulya. "Don't be frightened. It won't get any deeper." When they got near one another, Akulya said, "Mind, Malasha, don't splash. Walk carefully."
Okay. Thank you, Risa. Okay, stop. So, children, what do you think the story is about? Is the story about two children playing in the puddle?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is it all about two children playing in the puddle?
No.
Then, are you able to predict what happens? The two little ones wearing beautiful pretty frogs. They have come from the church. They met each other and they are planning to play in the puddle. Okay. So we find that the elder one is giving a lot of advice to the younger one. That is to remove her shoes and stockings. So is it the story about the two little girls or something else? You think that the story is going to have a twist in between?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of course. We'll find that. What is that? They did so, and then picking up their skirts, they began walking towards each other through the puddle. So the younger one, Malasha, listened to the advice given by Akulya. She removed her shoes and stockings, and both of them, lifting up their skirts, they walked slowly in the through the puddle. The water came up to Malasha's ankles, and she said, "It is deep, Akulya. I'm afraid." So we find that the little girl is so afraid when she found the water coming up to her ankles. "Come on," replied Akulya. "Don't be frightened. It won't get any deeper." So, what do you understand about Akulya's character?
She's so caring.
Caring. She's so caring.
She's so caring. Then
Kind.
what else?
Ma'am, she gives good advices.
She gives good advices. Then
I'm
She
supportive.
is very
supportive.
kind.
Good.
She's
Good
very
answer.
neat.
Lovely.
Yes. She's bothered about cleanliness. She's hygienic. And she's assuring Malasha that nothing won't happen. Yes. No danger can happen to her. So how do you say don't be frightened in your mother tongue?
പേടിക്കണ്ട.
Huh? How do you say?
പേടിക്കണ്ട.
പേടിക്കണ്ട. ഒരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല പേടിക്കണ്ട. Isn't it? You might be assuring the same to your younger siblings. Have you done that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Smaller ones are
Yes,
much
ma'am.
more frightened than the bigger one. So here we find that Malasha was frightened when she found the water coming up to her ankles. Akulya is assuring her, no, nothing will happen to you. Come on, let's play. It won't get deeper. Don't be frightened. When they got near one another, Akulya said, "Mind, Malasha, don't splash. Walk carefully." What could be the reason why Akulya was giving another advice? Malasha, be careful. Watch the water.
Yeah, ma'am. Otherwise, the
Okay, Devaganda.
frogs.
Frogs will be. Ma'am, otherwise the frogs will be. Or if it's splash.
One at a time, one at a time. I'm happy that you're all responding, but if you speak together, I will not be able to hear. Arjun Krishna, give me your answer. What could be the reason why Akulya was telling Malasha, walk carefully, don't splash?
Because she doesn't want to get her dress spoiled.
Very good, perfect answer. Because she doesn't want her dress to get spoiled. We find that both of them were wearing very good clothes, expensive clothes, and that too new one. So even without changing their dresses, they came soon after from the church to play in the puddle. So we know that children are so fond of playing in the water. Are you all the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you like to play in water?
Yes, ma'am.
How many? Okay, Devika, Alsina,
Ma'am.
Vrisa, Smriti, Anandu. Okay. Vinayak. Many of you, most of you like to play in water. Have you ever played under the rain?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Afraid of getting cold or fever?
No, ma'am.
And will your parents allow you to do so?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't think so. Will your parents allow you to play in the water under the rain and all?
Sometimes.
They might think so, yes. Most of the parents do not like children playing in the water, and they may scold you. And how many of you have played in the puddle? Huh? Richard, okay, Arjun, Smriti, Devika, Vrisa, Anantu. Okay, so playing in the water is a different kind of experience, right? Children all love to play in the water, especially the smaller ones. So we find that Akulya and Malasha, both of them were wearing very good dress, and they were playing in the puddle, and in between, Akulia was giving advices to Malasha: don't splash the water. I would like to share an incident with you that is about my son. My baby is just 4.5 years old. Okay, he's in UKG now, and a few days before, it's rainy time, it's rainy season, and there was a small puddle, very small puddle in front of our house. And when I took him outside for giving him food, you know what happened? He quickly jumped out of my hands and he started playing in the water. He started playing in the puddle, and what happened is that I got very angry, and I gave him nice slaps. You know what is the reason why I gave him slaps?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes.
he'll catch cold
Because
and
he'll
he'll get
get something
fever.
like cold, fever.
Sometimes he may be ill because of playing in the untidy, unclean water. So most of the parents do not agree with the children when they find the children playing in the water or in the rain. Okay, so let's see what happens in the story. Who is going to read next?
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I read? Ma'am, can I read?
I'm going to give the chance. Yes, my class.
Ma'am, Sri
Ma'am,
Rudra.
can I read? Ma'am, Ananya, ma'am.
Okay, Altina, read.
She had hardly said this when Malasha put her foot down so hard that the water splashed right
Others,
onto
please keep it in muted mode, okay?
Agulya's frock. The frock was splashed and saw over Agulya's eyes and nose Agulya's eyes and nose.
Yes.
When she saw the stains on her frock, she was angry and ran after Malasha to strike her. Malasha was frightened, and seeing that she had got herself into trouble, she scrambled out of the puddle and prepared
Out of the puddle.
to run
Okay, thank you, Altina. Thank you. Okay, so what happened now? She had hardly said this. What did she say hardly? Just before she could finish. What was the sentence that she was telling? Anthony Vijo? What was Akulya telling to Malasha? When they started to play in the puddle, what did she say? Do you have the textbook, Anthony?
No, ma'am.
Problem. Smriti, did you listen? Did you listen to what Altina read? Smriti? Smriti, can you hear me?
Mama, I don't have my textbook.
But you listened to what Altina read out, don't you? Listening is important. Okay, I understood that some of you do not have the text, but didn't you listen?
Yes,
Okay, who will give me the answer? Malavika?
Ma'am, can I?
yes, ma'am.
Malavika?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer. She had hardly said this. What did Akulya hardly say?
Ma'am,
What do you understand by hardly? She had hardly said.
Ma'am, she had just finished her sentence before that.
Yes, before she could complete the sentence. Mind, Malasha, don't splash. Walk carefully. Before she could complete the sentence, what happened? Malasha put her foot down so hard that the water splashed right onto Akulya's frock. So what happened? Malasha put her foot very hardly into the water, and the dirty water splashed onto Akulya's frock. Just imagine the condition. Two children were playing very happily, and the little one splashed the dirty water onto the other one's frock. The frock was splashed, and so were Akulya's eyes and nose. So not only the frock became dirty, but also her eyes and nose, everything was splashed with dirty water. When she saw the stains on her frock, she was angry and ran after Malasha to strike her. So what was the reason why Akulya became angry?
Ma'am,
Nihal?
because
Nihal? I will ask. Nihal Mustafa. What was the
Ma'am,
reason why
the
Akulya
reason
became
is
angry?
because
Mm,
Agulya put her foot
mm.
very
Akulya?
fast.
Is it Akulya? Who put her foot hardly onto the water? Malasha, the younger
Malasha.
one. Malasha put her
She
foot down.
and the water splashed to her frock.
Yes. So she became very angry.
Angry.
Okay, Vinayak, your video is not on. I cannot see you here on the screen.
Ma'am, my video is turned on.
When Akulya found that her dress, her nose and eyes were full of dirt, what did she do?
ma'am, can I say?
Akulya ran after Malasha to strike her.
Yes, very good. Akulya ran after Malasha to strike her. All right. When she saw the stains on her frock, she was angry and ran after Malasha to strike her. Malasha was frightened, and seeing that she had got herself into trouble, she scrambled out of the puddle and prepared to run home. So, what happened to Malasha now? Did Malasha understood that she had done something wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, she understood that she had done something wrong. And then, by realizing that she had got herself into trouble, what do you mean by that?
Because she did something.
Atul,
Did
can you repeat
something
that
wrong
sentence?
and
She did something wrong.
Yes.
Did something wrong.
She did something wrong and now was in trouble. She scrambled out of the puddle. What do you mean by scrambled, Sri Rudra?
And
Sri Rudra, by scrambled?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, she ran out of the puddle.
Scramble. What do you mean by scrambling? Scrambling. To move quickly out of a particular situation. To move quickly out of a place. So when Malasha understood that she had done something wrong, she, in order to avoid the slaps or strikes from Akulya, she moved quickly out of the puddle. So, children, I would like to ask you, what do you think? Did Malasha did it on purpose? Did she do it on purpose?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All of you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Malasha did not do it on purpose. It happened by mistake. Yes. And if you were in such a situation, if you were Akulya, how would you react? How would you respond? Okay, I'll pass the question to Aaron. Aaron Anthony. Aaron.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if you were Akulya, how would you respond? Here we find that two children were playing in the puddle, and the one was very small and the other one elder. And by mistake, the younger one splashed dirty water onto the elder one's frock and face and nose. And here we find Akulya became so angry and she went to strike Malasha. So if you were in Akulya's position, how would you react to the other person?
Ma'am, I will tell, don't do it again.
Okay, you are very good in behavior, so you would advise don't do it again. Are you ready to forgive that other person? Yes? Yes or no?
No.
Yes, okay, that is what Aaron says. Okay, Harriet, what about you? Harriet, Anne,
yes, ma'am.
what about you?
I will forgive her.
You would forgive her. Okay. Somebody else. Geetika?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you react if you were in Akulya's position?
Ma'am, I will also forgive her.
All are very, very kind-hearted, good-hearted persons. You are ready to forgive. But I don't think so. Just imagine the frock is very expensive, costly one, and this is the first time that you are wearing it, And just imagine the frock has become so dirty. It has stained all over. And just imagine your mother's reaction. Huh? You all will forgive, right?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I will splash her again
No,
and
ma'am.
never forgive her.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I will
Okay.
splash.
So the very instant of children will be definitely they become angry and they react spontaneously. So I think most of the children would just react like Akulya. Maybe you might be striking or slapping or beating the other person. But then if you are good enough, you may forgive the person. Okay, after some time, you may forgive and you would come together to play with each other. That is what I think. Okay. So anyway, thank you all for your answer. We'll continue a little more and then we will. Yes.
Next paragraph, can I read, ma'am?
Now,
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I
wait.
read, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I?
You're all very eager to read. Atul, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please read the next paragraph?
Yes, ma'am. Just then, Akulya's mother happened to be passing and saw that her daughter's skirt was splashed and that her sleeves were dirty. She said, "You naughty, dirty girl, what have you been doing?
What have you
What
been
have
doing?
you been doing?"
Yes.
Malasha did it on purpose. She replied the girl.
Okay. Thank you, Adil. So we find that just then Akulya's mother happened to be passing and she saw that her daughter's skirt was splashed and that her sleeves were dirty. So imagine how would the mother react? Will the mother be so happy to see the child's frock in a dirty condition?
No, ma'am.
No, not at all.
No,
Definitely, all the moms will be very angry when they find the children make their expensive clothes dirty. So she said, "You naughty, dirty girl, what have you been doing?" So mother became so angry, and then how does she calls her girl? How does she calls her daughter?
Naughty,
You
dirty
naughty
Dirty
girl.
girl. You naughty, dirty girl. What have you been doing? Who asked you to come and play in the puddle with the new frock? Why didn't you go and change the frock? So many questions, so many meanings are there in that. You naughty, dirty girl. What have you been doing? Malasha did it on purpose, replied the girl. So then comes a problem. So the problem comes with the perspective of thinking or from our point of view. See, children, when a problem comes, we can either think it in the positive way or in the negative way. When we think it in a negative way, it becomes more and more worse. Do you agree with the statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, Malasha did not do it on purpose. We know that because she's younger one and she was so eager to play in the puddle, and that is why she put her foot hardly in the water. So by mistake it happened. But why did Akulya think that she did it on purpose? What could be the reason?
Ma'am, because, ma'am, can
The
I
way
say,
she
ma'am?
was
Yes, Ananya, give me the answer.
Ma'am, because before Akulya said that don't splash my skirt. Then again by hearing that itself, she splashed.
Yes, Akulya had already given an instruction to Malasha, don't splash water, be careful. So before she could finish the sentence, Malasha put her foot hardly in the water and the water splashed onto her frock. So that is the reason why Akulya thought that Malasha did it on purpose. So the problem happened with Akulya's thought. Akulya thought that Malasha did it on purpose. And in the story, we find that so many other events happening. And we will see what it is in the next class. Okay. So children, is the portion clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Story is very simple, right? Story about two girls. They were playing with each other in the puddle and one splashed water on the other, and then the problem starts. So in the previous class, I had given you a concept map. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you filled it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So you have to fill the remaining part and be ready for the next class. Okay. I'll be sending you the questions based on today's portion through WhatsApp. You have to read the textbook and answer to it in the note. Okay, in the notebook or in the rough book. Not on papers. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.